nhớ trong so cho tôi cần sai cả giờ của yo là hay ra đang nâng ô bát sáng kít tao này sẽ được tâm lòng mua lúm bè tiề mà thia lịch sinh để cho cái lu thì chả này sẽ được tâm lòng nữa. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about a story about Ma and Li Sing. Once there was a beautiful Hmong girl named Ma who was very intelligent and hardworking. Ma lived in the mountains of northern Laos in a village that was surrounded by the forest. One day, as she was working in the forest, she saw some unusual plants. She looked at them carefully and decided to take a few of them back to her village. When she got home, she made yarn from the plants and wove the yarn to make clothes. Ma's mother was serious about her daughter's work. She asked, "What are you going to do with that cloth?" "I'm not sure," answered Ma. "Maybe we can use it as blankets during the winter time." The next day, Ma went into the forest again to get more of the strange plants. On the way back to her village, she met a young man who asked if he could walk her home. "Hi, my name is Li Sing," said the young man. "I live in the village north of this mountain. Can I help you carry these plants? What are you going to do with them?" "Nice to meet you," said Ma shyly, as she handed him her basket. "Yesterday I wove some clothes from this plant. I came to get more plants today." "Oh, so you are talented as well as beautiful," continued Li Sing. Ma lowered her eyes and smiled happily in response. When they reached Ma's house, Li Sing admired the clothes that Ma had made. Li Sing found, however, that his eyes was on Ma much more than her clothes. Before long, the young man realized that he was in love with this girl he has barely met. When it was time to return home, he asked, "May I come to see you again tomorrow?" "Yes, I like that," answered Ma softly. She thought that Li Sing was very good-looking, and she secretly hoped he would come back often. Time passed. The two young people saw each other as often as they could. One day, while Ma was weaving, her mother sat next to her and said, "Ma, we have arranged for you to marry a young man from a good family. But I love Li Sing," said Ma, who knew in her heart that her love for Li Sing was now impossible. Next day, Ma tearfully told Li Sing, "We must say goodbye. I have to marry someone else." When Ma's mother saw the young people talking to each other, she hurried over to where they were standing. Listen, she said. You can't come to visit Ma anymore. She'll be getting married soon. Listen didn't know what to say. He waved goodbye and walked back to his village. Listen was so sad that he became very sick. His father wanted to help him, but Listen didn't tell his father what was wrong. The village shaman tried to heal him, but Listen decided that he wanted to leave this world. Everyone in his village grieved when he died. A friend went immediately to tell Ma about Lisen's death. When Ma heard the news, she sobbed that say, if we can't love each other in this world, we'll have to meet in other worlds. Ma walked slowly and sadly into the forest. She decided that she didn't want to live without Lisen, who has died because of her. That night, Ma's mother went into the forest to look for her daughter, who had not returned to the village. When she found Ma's body, she cried and asked, "How could you do this? It's all my fault." She buried Ma near Lisen so the two of them could be together forever. Many months passed. A hemp plant began to grow on Ma's grave. The softness of the plant made Ma's mother think of her daughter. She called the plant Ma and replanted it in her garden. More weeks and more months passed, and the Ma plant grew and spread. When the plants were ready, the mother scraped the bark so they could be woven into clothes. So then used the clothes to make a beautiful skirt. Since that day, all the Hmong mothers make special skirt out of hemp for their daughters' wedding. 我长到那时候，我们弄个我们在了蒙ติดตามกูจะได้หนึ่งนาทีจ้ะมันรู้长到เราจะตัวรัวใส่รัวนะ